All right, welcome back, guys. My name is Tomini Cap once again, and we are on the red carpet of MC Larry J's Don't Mind My Mind. And look who I have here with me. How are you today?
Hi, I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Oladunke, aka Queen D.
Queen D. Oh, wow. Okay, Queen D, what can you say about MC Larry J?
Yeah, I know MC Larry J that is a very good comedian, and not just comedian, he's very talented, and his jokes are inspirational. So that's why I'm here today.
All right, so what are you expecting from today's event? What is your expectations at the end of today's event?
Me, I'm a soft life queen, so I'm here to come and catch some vibes, catch my phone. I also use the opportunity to celebrate my birthday.
Today is your birthday.
It's my birthday week.
You heard Queen D. Today is her birthday, so she decided to come out and have fun with MC Larry J. Should we sing happy birthday song for you?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right, so quick question for the birthday lady. How many countries are there in Nigeria?
Countries or states?
How many countries are there in Nigeria?
Only one.
So what you're saying is Nigeria is a country.
Yes, Nigeria is a country.
Nigeria is a state in Abi.
Nigeria is a country.
Nigeria is a country. Ladies and gentlemen, you heard Lady, Queen, Prophetess, Deaconess, D. Happy birthday to you once again. We hope you enjoy the rest of your event today. Have a good one. Bye.